Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy VMware Cloud on AWS, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy VMware Cloud on AWS, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Ensure you have the necessary IAM permissions to create and manage the deployment. Navigate to the VMware Cloud on AWS portal. If you don't have an account, create one by following the registration prompts. Once logged in, select Get Started to initiate the deployment process. Choose the specific AWS region where you want to deploy VMware Cloud. Review the VMware Cloud on AWS Service Overview for essential details. Click on Deploy VMware Cloud on AWS. Accept the service terms and conditions to advance. Configure the SDDC by entering the number of hosts you require. Select the instance type for your hosts based on your workload needs. Specify the SDDC name and configure any additional settings as needed. For networking, set up the desired IP range for the management network. Ensure you have a VPN or Direct Connect set up for secure connectivity if needed. Select your preferred storage options, including the type and size of storage requirements. After configuration, review your deployment settings carefully. Once verified, click on Deploy to begin the provisioning process. Wait for the deployment status to change to active, which indicates it is ready for use. Access the vSphere client using the provided URL and credentials for your SDDC. Begin configuring your workloads and applications in the new environment. Monitor the performance and adjust resources as necessary to optimize operations. Familiarize yourself with the management tools available within VMware Cloud on AWS. Consider setting up additional integrations or automation tools to enhance your deployment. Keep documentation of your deployment for future reference and troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.